Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Very good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ah, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Dear children, how are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, thank you, ma'am.
Oh, all are fine. So, can we start?
Yes. Yes.
Have you all done last day's homework?
Yes. Yes.
Everybody has done.
Yes. Yes.
Show me a notebook. Show me a notebook. Everybody, show me that page. Yes, yes. Aditya is so. You went okay. Catherine okay. Dear children, please mute your audio. Wait. Okay. Oh, yes. Other. Okay, okay. So good. Next. Pranav. Prarthana. Okay, okay. Pranav, Prarthana. Oh, Catherine. Yes. Okay. Sure. Mayasa. Okay. Sri Rugda. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, Vedika. Okay, okay, okay. Janvi, Arjun, okay. I think almost all of you have done. Okay, Hail Teresa, I. Okay, okay, Hail Teresa. Now we can discuss the answers. Okay? Before that, I'm going to mute you all. Otherwise, everybody will be shouting the answer. Dear children, before discussing the homework answers, we can revise how we will compare numbers. After that, we can revise. Okay? When we get some numbers for comparing, first you have to check the number of digits. What is the first step, dear children? You have to check the given numbers have how many digits. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Which number is having less number of digits, that will be the smaller one. Okay. Which number is having greater number of digits, that will be the greater number.
Number.
That is the first rule. Okay. Then we have to discuss the case if every number is having same number of digits. What do you want to do? If the given numbers have same number of digits, you have to check the leftmost digits. Okay. As we are studying 4-digit numbers now, the leftmost digit will be thousands place digit, the first digit. Okay. If then you have to check the place digit and you have to check which one is greater, which one is smaller. Okay. If thousands place digit is same, you have to check the 100 place digit. And then you have to check which digit is more, which digit is less. The number with a greater digit will be the greater number. The number with a smaller digit will be the smaller number. If 100 place digit also same, you have to check the tens place digit. If tens place digit is same, you have to check the ones place digit. That is the way you have to check the numbers. Okay? Is it clear to you, dear children? Okay. And if two numbers are equal, we will use the symbol equal to. Okay? Now we can.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we can discuss the homework answers.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am other.
What happened, other?
Ma'am, I didn't get in my phone that homework.
I put in the group.
Ma'am, can I check today? Yes, I didn't get. Ma'am, I didn't also
Yes.
get.
Yes.
We can write also now.
Sorry?
We can also right now. You are going to discuss answer.
Yes, but you have the homework you should do
Ma'am,
before. Okay?
Ma'am, I do. Ma'am, I didn't also
Yes.
get.
So,
Ma'am, I didn't also
I
get.
put in the group, dear children. You can check, it is there. Next day onwards, you have to check the WhatsApp. Okay? If I Dear children, we are going to discuss the answers now. First, Achyut, please unmute. Unmute. Please unmute. Achyut. Try to unmute. Yes. Dear, will you say answer for the first question? You have to compare the numbers using less than, greater than, or equal to symbol. First question. 8,710, 9,821. Will you say the answer? Less than or greater than? Symbol I should use.
Greater than.
Sorry?
Greater than.
We can check the answer. Okay?
Greater than.
Sorry?
Greater than.
Dear, here it is 8. Here both number is having 4 digits. Isn't that, Achyut?
Less than.
Wait. Isn't that?
Yes.
Here first digit is 8. Here first digit is 9. Isn't that?
Yeah.
8
Yes, ma'am.
is less than 9 or greater than 9?
Less than 9.
Less than 9. So dear, we can say 8,710 is less than 9,821. What is the symbol for less than? Closed mouth or open mouth? Achyut.
Open. Close.
Closed mouth. When the number is less, the first number is less, the mouth will be closed like this. This is the closed mouth. See, here the mouth is closed. Achyut, have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt regarding this?
No, ma'am.
Did you get correct answer?
Yes.
Have you done homework?
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
You didn't get it. It is there in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And try to do that alone. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next question. Ameya, please. Wait, Ameya. Ameya, please unmute.
Yes.
What about the next number?
Greater than.
Yes. Is it greater than? Is it greater than, dear?
Lesser than.
Have you understood it is lesser than?
Because first number is 6 and second number is 6. So we want to check second number.
100 place digit, yes. So first digit is same over here. So you have to check the second digit. Here it is 1, here it is 2. Then what you can say? 1 is?
1 is lesser than 2.
1 is less than 2. So what is the symbol here? So you can say 6,137 is less than 6,237. So what is the symbol for less than?
Closed mouth.
Yes, closed mouth. This is the closed mouth. Okay, good. Now, Ameya, thank you. Now, other, please unmute. Wait, other. I'll give you a chance. Wait. Let me check your name. Yes. Now unmute. Other. Yes. Do. Hey, again you muted. Wait.
No.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Again.
200 and
Is it 200?
no 2000.
2000.
221.
Less or greater?
Greater.
Greater. How you understood it's greater?
Ma'am, because the second one is only three digits.
Oh,
This
okay,
has
okay, okay.
4 digits.
Oh, okay. That is correct. Okay. Here we have to check the number of digits. See, here 4 digits are there. Here how many digits are there?
3.
3 digits only. So this 4-digit number is greater. Isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Is greater than this 3-digit number. That means
Yes.
2221 is greater than 222. Okay, greater than. So what is the symbol for greater than, dear?
Open.
Yes, open mouth. Open mouth like this. Crocodile's mouth should be open.
This
Okay.
is the homework. Can I write this on my rough book?
You can do in the notebook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Can I
Okay.
copy it in the rough book and write it in the notebook?
Yes. Okay, dear children. Now, I think some are there to understand this. So I'm going to discuss one more problem. 9,872, then 9,870. Yes. I need Aditri, please unmute. Yes.
Ma'am,
How we will compare this number?
first
First,
digit.
when we get two numbers, you have to check the number of digits first. Here,
Yes.
first number is having how many digits?
Ma'am, can you tell one more time?
We have to compare these two numbers, less than or greater than. Okay? These two numbers have how many digits? Here, this one has how many digits?
4 digits.
4 digits. The other one?
4.
4. So the number of digits are same. So what do you have to check next?
And the first number.
Sorry?
The number.
Other?
Numbers.
Sorry?
Numbers.
Numbers. Which number?
First
place?
number.
Yes,
Place.
leftmost digit. So here the leftmost digit is 9. Here the leftmost digit is 9. Can we compare?
No.
No.
We
So
have
what we have to do?
next. We have to look the next number.
Here it is
Hundreds.
8. Here it is 8. Can we compare?
No.
No, because it is equal, same. Okay. Then next digit, third digit.
Third.
Can we compare the third digits?
No.
No. Why?
They are equal.
Yes, they are equal, same. So what next digit, fourth digit, that means ones place digit, 1000 place digit is same, 100 place digit is same, 10s place digit is same. Ones place digit, which are the ones place digit here?
2.
2 and
0.
0. What we can say, 2 is less than 0 or greater than 0?
Greater than 0.
2 is greater than 0. So what we can say, 9,872 is
Greater than.
Greater than, what is the other number?
Greater than 9,870.
70. What is the symbol for greater than?
Opened mouth.
Open mouth, like this. Here the mouth is open. Okay. Now, dear children, anybody is having any doubt regarding comparing numbers? The first step is that you have to check the number of digits. And second step, you have to check if the number of digits are same, you have to check thousands place digits. If they are same, you have to check the 100 place digit. If they are same, you have to check the tens place. Otherwise, ones place. Anybody?
No.
Can we start comparing many numbers? This much time we were discussing about two numbers. When we get more than two numbers, how we will compare? We can see that. Okay? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, now I am sure we are going to discuss about how we will find out greater numbers and greatest number and smallest number when more than more than two numbers are given. Yes. Here you can see, write the smallest number and greatest number. Here I have written three questions, A, B, C. You have to find out the greatest and smallest number. First question I will be discussing. Second question I will be asking you. Third question you have to do yourself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First question we can do together. Okay. These are the numbers over here.
Ma'am, we have to write.
No, you don't want to write now. You don't want to write now. Okay? Just listen.
Okay, ma'am.
These are the numbers 683, 2490, 182, 310. Dear children, when we get some numbers to compare, first, what do you want to do, dear children, first?
We should look the digits.
We should check the number of digits. We should check the number of digits. You can see how many digits are there for the first number?
3 digits.
3 digit. 3 digit. Somebody said 6. That is the first digit over here. Here we are checking the number of digits first. Here this number has how many digits?
4 digits.
4 digits. Then here
3 digits.
3 digits.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh no.
Next number?
3 digits.
3 digits. So, except one, all other numbers have 4 digits. So, which will be the greater one
No,
in
ma'am.
this?
3 digits.
Except 3, except 1,
One.
here all the other 3 numbers have 3 digits. So, which number will be having greater one? Will be greater one?
2490.
2490 will be the greater number. 2490. Okay. Now we have written this as greater number, so that thing is over.
Just
Now
go.
we have to compare other 3 numbers. They all having how many digits?
3.
So what do you want to do then? We have to check.
We have to check the numbers. Thousand place.
Here 1000 place is
1000.
not there. We have to check the first digits. Okay. We have to check the
First digit.
first digit. For this number, what is the first digit? 633. 6. Next number, what is the first digit?
1.
1. Next, what is the first digit? 310.
3.
So 613. Which is the lesser number in least number in the
182.
182.
smaller one. 1 is the smaller one.
Another one.
So smallest one. So which number will be the smallest one?
182.
182. Dear children, have you understood now? How we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
checking the... Yes. Now I am going to mute you
Ask
all.
us. Ma'am, don't mute.
Now, next question, I want the answer from Pranav and Prarthana. Please unmute. Pranav and Prarthana. Yes. Next, we are going to discuss question B. These are the numbers. 3,412, 3,000.
972.
Louder, please. 3,972.
3,201.
3,769.
3,769.
Yes. Dear children, first, what is the first step? We have to check the,
Digits.
sorry?
Digits.
Number of digits. Okay. Here all the numbers are how many digits?
4 digits.
All the numbers have same digit. That means 4 digits. So can we compare using the number of digits?
Yes.
Can we compare using number of digits?
No.
No, because all are same. So we can't use the number of digits for comparing. So what do you have to do?
Compare the
Uh,
hundreds place.
sorry?
Compare the hundreds place.
Is it 100 place? Huh?
Thousand place.
Thousands place, then hundreds, tens, ones. So which place did we have to compare first?
Thousand.
Whatever may be the digits, you have to check the first digits. Okay. So here 1000 place digit. What about the 1000 place digit? For the first
Three.
number, 3. For all the numbers, it is
3.
3. Can we compare?
No.
No. So what do we have to do next?
Next number.
Next place digit. Yes. Here, what is the first number, first digit? What is the 100 place digit for the first number?
4.
4. Then
9.
9. Then
2.
2. Then
7.
7. Here, which is the greatest digit?
7.
4, 9, 2, 7. Which is the
Nine.
greatest one?
9.
9 is the greatest one. So which number will be the greatest? Which number will?
3,972.
Yes, 3,000.
972.
972. Okay, then, wait dear children, let me check. Yes, 3,972 is the greatest one. Okay, now, in this, so this matter over. Now 4 to 7, which is the smallest?
3,201.
Yes, 2 is the smallest one. So 3,200 will be the
Smallest
smallest.
number.
Yes. Now, dear children, you will be having, I hope you all will be having your notebook with you. Copy down the question C. No need to write any heading, nothing you want to write. Just copy down the question C and find out the greatest and smallest number now itself. These are the number 8,629, 990, 1,320 and 180. Find the greatest and smallest. Asher, have you done? Have you completed? Have you found? And did you get the answer? No need to unmute, do fast. Do fast. Sweden, have you got correct answer? Are you doing? Okay, do. Ah, yes. Okay. Yes. Hannah, good. One answer I saw, it is correct. Now here anybody is there to complete the question? Please raise your hand, those who didn't complete. Please raise your hand, those who didn't complete. UN, have you completed, UN? Yes, okay. Other, have you completed? No. Yes or no? Yes, okay. Now, Arush, have you completed? His video got struck. Vaishnav, completed. If you completed, show me a thumbs up. Yes. Those who completed, show me a thumbs up. Yes. Mayasa, his our video got struck. Hazel, have you? Okay. Joy Eric also completed. Okay. Now we can discuss the answer. Now please don't correct your answer. You have to tick or cross. If you have made mistake, okay, you correct in mind, you understand what mistake you have committed. Okay, Hannah will be saying the answer. Hannah, unmute. Okay. Hannah, first what we want to do?
We should look the number.
First we should check the number of digits. Here, first number is having how many digits?
4.
Yes, 4 digits. Okay. Second number, how many digits?
3.
Here, this one 4.
3.
Next one is
3.
993 digits. Okay. Next
4.
1320, how many digits?
4.
4 digits. Next one, how many digits?
3.
3 digits. So first we can find the greater number. If we want to find the greater number, which all numbers I want to compare? First, I want to see the greater number. In this, which two numbers have greatest digits? Greater 3 digits or 4 digit number, which will be greater?
4.
4 digit numbers will be greater. Okay. So, which one are the 4 digit numbers? 8,629 and 320. Then what I want to do?
We should look the first number.
Yes, first digit we have to note dear number, it's digits. First digit you have to check. Here, which are the first digits?
8.
8 and
9.
8 and
8.
And
Second one.
for the
9.
second, if that only we are checking this 4 digit numbers now. That means 8,629 and 1,320. This is 100 place digit. Okay. Here we are checking the 1,000 place digits. These two. Okay.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
So 8 and 1.
1.
Same number of digits. The numbers with the same number of digits only we are comparing now. Okay. Have you understood, Hannah?
Yes, ma'am.
Other two numbers only has 3 digits. That let it be there. The two numbers are having 4 digits that we are comparing now. The first digit here it is 8. The next
Other
one is 1.
1.
So which will be the greatest one?
8,000
Ah. 600.
629.
Yes, 8,629. Okay. Now, which all numbers will be having smallest digit?
9.
990 and
1.
uh,
180.
100.
And 80.
180. Yes. In this, we have to find the smaller one because we are going to find the smallest number. Which will be the smallest number?
180.
Yes, 180. So first we have to check the number of digits. Here the two numbers having 4 digits, two numbers having 3 digits. That's why we have done like this. The 4-digit numbers will be the greater one and the 3-digit numbers will be smaller one. That's why we compared like this. Okay, dear?
Okay,
Anna,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
how many of you got correct answer? How many of you got correct? Be honest. Okay. Some videos are struck. Yes. Adar, have you got correct answer, Adar? Yes or no? Yes. Adidev got. Alex, what happened? Okay, don't worry. I will be sending 1 or 2 homework questions. Next day we will be discussing this one again. Okay. If you have any doubt, we can clarify next class. Okay? Okay, dear children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. See
Okay,
you
ma'am.
next day. Bye.
Bye.